The CD-TV player is the marriage of consumer electronics and advanced computer technology. That's what makes it an advanced 16-bit game machine for arcade-quality games. That means high-speed animations, thousands of colors, and even CD surround sound. Wrath of the Demon, Ultimate Basketball, Sim City. Video games will never be the same. Add an optional trackball controller, and you expand the CD-TV player's game potential. The controller has ports for 2 joysticks, so the more the merrier. The CD-TV player comes with a front port that accepts a personal memory card. This card, which is about as small as a credit card, comes in 2 capacities, storing either 64K or 256K of memory. For example, with selected applications, you can store your game position or score for easy access and update the next time you play the game. And it can be used for other purposes as well, like keeping personal financial records or phone numbers. The real hidden benefit of CD-TV over any other available interactive multimedia player is that it can be expanded easily and affordably into a home computer by simply adding a keyboard, floppy disk drive, and mouse. The CD-TV player can become an Amiga computer. And then you and your family can access the 2,500 software packages available for the Amiga. There are 3 million Amiga computers in use worldwide. It's a highly respected computer brand and recognized as a technology leader in multimedia computing. Each CD-TV player includes the ports necessary to use CD-TV as a standard computer. This means that there is a parallel port for a printer, a serial port for a modem, as well as ports for keyboard, mouse, or joystick, disk drive, and even a port to use with an RGB monitor. The CD-TV computer solution is perfect for the college student's dorm room. CD audio, word processing, and a games machine all in one. Built into the CD-TV player as a standard feature are right and left audio ports for stereo connections. CD-TV is a high-powered CD audio player with 8 times oversampling. It plays all regular CD music as well as the latest music format, CD plus graphics. The player has sophisticated on-screen programming capabilities so you can customize your listening pleasure with personalized track ordering, random play, and even 10-second sampling, among others. A special audio feature of the CD-TV player is the MIDI in and out ports. MIDI, which stands for Musical Instrument Digital Interface, is a standard method of communicating with a computer to control a wide range of musical instruments. Just plug in a MIDI-compatible instrument like a keyboard synthesizer. Using an Amiga software program like Bars and Pipes, almost anyone can learn about music composition, explore the sounds of different instruments, and be performing in no time. Millions of families have camcorders and have taken hours of home videos. And many people want to personalize or edit their videos. Another bonus that comes with your CD-TV player is that it can be expanded easily into a home titling and special effects system. By adding an optional Genlock, a special video card to your CD-TV player, and using an application like Scala 500, which includes libraries of clip art, sound effects, and animations, you can turn your home video into creative masterpieces. You can now easily edit your old videotapes to create new ones complete with titles, sound effects, and video effects like those used on TV, and even add your own customized title screens with your list of family video stars. The Genlock is a production tool used among professional video makers to synchronize live or pre-recorded video with computer-generated graphics. Now, this capability can be yours in an easy-to-use package and at an affordable price. CD-TV Multimedia is for the whole family. It's for learning and fun, and it's designed to expand with your needs for today and tomorrow. For more information about the CD-TV player and titles, or to locate a dealer near you, please call 1-800-662-6442.